Greetings and welcome to the Global Update channel, your trusted source for international news and updates. Today we delve into an era of science fiction becoming reality, the dawn of laser weapons. A significant milestone has been reached in military history. The U.S. Army has deployed high-energy laser weapons overseas for the first time to defend against enemy drones. This weapon, known as the Palletized High-Energy Laser, or PHEL, has been actively eliminating threats in the sky, with successful engagements reported in the Middle East. This deployment comes as the U.S. military faces increased drone and missile attacks, prompting a focus on enhancing air defense capabilities. The development and deployment of laser weapons represent a technological victory and potential turning point in the use of such weapons globally. Decades of technological advancements have enabled the realization of laser weapons. The U.S. military has invested significantly in research and development, deploying various laser systems alongside forces for testing and operational use. Other countries, such as the UK, are also investing in high-power laser systems for air defense. Meanwhile, Chinese military scientists claim to have developed a high-energy laser weapon with a cooling system that allows for indefinite firing, potentially surpassing U.S. capabilities in this area. This breakthrough involves a system that blows clean gas through the laser chamber to remove waste heat, improving beam quality and efficiency. High-energy laser weapons have the potential to revolutionize warfare by targeting drones, missiles, and aircraft at the speed of light. While the U.S. has been advancing laser weapon technology, challenges such as cooldown time and weather limitations remain. In other news, Israel is mobilizing for a ground operation in Gaza following deadly terror attacks by Hamas. Israel's military, backed by U.S. aid, possesses advanced weaponry, including tanks, armored personnel carriers, F-35 jets, Patriot missile defense systems, and bunker-buster bombs. On the European front, Ukraine's recent success in their artillery battle against Russia is attributed to the use of precision-guided munitions. The US and Germany have provided aid packages including GPS-guided shells like the M982 Excalibur and Volcano, which offer high accuracy in hitting targets. The era of laser weapons has indeed arrived. The future of warfare will be shaped by these advancements, and it's crucial to stay informed. As we conclude our report, don't forget to subscribe to the Global Update channel. Your likes and comments are always appreciated. Stay informed, stay ahead with Global Update.